welcome our youngest semifinalist, Rolando.
Hello, Manila! Hello, Philippines! Hello, world! Are you ready? Stay, color. I just can't handle it. This thing, color. I must get round to it. I ain't ready. Crazy thing, color. There goes my baby. She knows such a rock and roll. She drives me crazy. She can see how to call me relax. Daddy, relax. Get him. Get all my tracks. Take it back. You try. Take long ride. I'm a motorbike. I tell her ready. It's the thing going on. Come on. Daddy, relax. Up your hands. Get him. Get all my tracks. Take it back. Take long ride. I'm a motorbike. I tell her ready. It's the thing going on. This thing called I just can't handle it. This thing called I must get well to it. I ain't ready. Crazy thing called 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 Thank you! Thank you, Miss Grace! Thank you, Miss Ai! Thank you, Sir Fred! Thank you, Manala! And thank you, Cagayan City!
Rolando!
Step right away.
Good job, bro. Yan ang bibong bata.
Alam mo, bro, paalam ko lang sa'yo. How old are you again?
7.
7 years old.
7.
Ako nag-live band ako, bro. 10 years old ako first time. May kasama pa ako. 7 live band. Sumusolo.
Yan si Rolando.
Ibang klase.
Pero ito, hindi halata. Pero ang umabot sa amin ay puro gulay na lang kinakain mo.
Oh, bakit?
Bakit? Ba't puro gulay na lang?
Kasi po, ang gulay ay may vitamins at minerals. Yun po.
Endorser.
Endorser na.
Endorser ng gulay. But now, it is time to hear from our judges. Judges?
I love you. Gusto kitang iuwi para may kalaro si Baby James. Ang cute mo talaga. Ay nako, at lalo ka pang naging cute ngayon.
Thank you po, Miss Chris.
Dati, you rock my world. Ngayon naman, you charm my world.
You charm my
You're
world.
so charming and cute.
Thank you po, Miss Ai. You charm my world too.
May tagline talaga eh. Tapos.
Sir Kevin G.
Anong pangalan mo ulit?
Si boss.
What's your name again?
Rolando Nang.
Are you sure?
Yes po.
You're a great entertainer.
Yes!
Ang cute mo talaga. Sino kasama niya ngayon?
I think the mom is here as well.
Ayan, tatay. Si Daddy. Where's
Alam
Mommy?
niyo mga friends ko.
May mga friends.
Mga friends mo ba to?
Mga friends.
Mga barkada.
Mga
Teka.
relatives.
Mga barkada mo to?
32
Ang
years
tanda
old.
na.
Hindi. Sila ang aking mga relatives.
Yun. Okay. Thank you very much, judges. Ngayon, kung gusto niyong si Rolando ang kauna-unahang bata na makapasok sa Grand Finals, this is what you have to do. PGT space Rolando.
Remember, PGT space Rolando para sa ating youngest semifinalist. Kahit nagki-keyboard sa dito mag-isa, please text him. Thank you very much, Rolando. Good luck.
Thank you, Miss Grace. Thank you, Miss Ai. Thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you, everybody.
O yung mga barkada mo. Thank you.
Ingat.
Bye, Rolando.
Rolando.
I love you too.
Yeah!
Panalong-panalo na, but this